It is a great honor to show you Leiye Machinery Production Factory today. This is our production workshop. This is the finished product area. After your machine is produced and tested, it will be here waiting to be packed and shipped. This is the parts warehouse, where we store the parts and tools we use to produce our machinery. This is the production and debug area. We are here to produce machinery for you. This is one of our main products, two-band forming machines. This machine is specially used for strong extrusion molding of steel, copper, aluminum and other pipe fittings in 6 stations to realize complex pipe and forming and connection of various coaxial pipe fittings. The pressing and punching head of this machine adopts hydraulic power, which has high extrusion force and stable performance. The mold change adopts the servo motor to drive the screw drive. The operation is simple, the positioning is accurate, and one operation can complete one cycle of action, thereby improving production efficiency. This is an automated, all-in-one pipe processing machine. It can automatically open material, automatic material feeding, automatic pipe and forming and pipe bending. Here the part is automatically transferred to the grinding tool head. The part is then automatically formed by the front mold. The pipe post-pressing machine is a special equipment for riveting rubber pipes, aluminum pipes, and iron pipes. This is our advantage product, CNC pipe bending machine. CNC pipe benders can bend a variety of metal pipes, including steel pipes, aluminum pipes, copper pipes, and stainless steel pipes. It can bend pipes of various shapes, including straight pipes, bent pipes, and circular pipes. CNC pipe benders can increase production efficiency, reduce costs, and improve product quality. Automobile manufacturing. CNC pipe bending machines are used to manufacture various types of automobiles, such as exhaust pipes, fuel pipes, and cooling pipes. Construction. CNC pipe benders are used to manufacture various pipes for building structures, such as steel bars and pipes. Machinery manufacturing. CNC pipe bending machines are used to manufacture various types of machinery, such as pneumatic pipes and hydraulic pipes. Shipbuilding. CNC pipe bend. Leiye is good at making various fully automatic and semi-automatic pipe forming solutions. Please contact us if you need.